Hey there guys, Bash here with a build video. Right now I'm actually printing out a piece that I actually designed myself on Tinkercad. This piece here I designed, it's going to be for my wall scrolls. I kind of wanted to find a way to hang them on the wall outside of just, the normal way, and actually I lost pieces that actually go on the wall scroll. If you look at it, this is like the top part of it, and there's supposed to be like 2 clips that go on there. I lost those just when I moved, and so now I don't have them, but I designed my own piece, and as you can see right here, if it gets in focus, right now this is just the first couple of layers, but I designed a part in Tinkercad, and it's just a part that just hangs on it, and I'm using thumbtacks to press it into the wall. Since it's not that heavy, the thumbtack should be just enough to hold it up there without a problem. And like I said, I use Tinkercad, so I'll go over here to my desk, and this is the actual piece that I designed. And that was pretty simple. I just used my digital calipers to measure the actual depth, I guess you could say, of the actual wall scroll, and then I use it to also measure the thumbtack. So this little guy right here, or one of these little guys right here, so I just figured out how get into focus, just how deep it is, or how wide it is, sorry. And then I used that and I designed it here. Just use just a few blocks, and over here just a block, cylinder, a couple of those. I was able to design just the part it'll hang on, and then right here, the part that'll actually go through and push into the wall where the thumbtack will go. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Not a whole muss, not a whole fuss, but pretty nice. I actually designed one before this, and it came out pretty decent, but it wasn't perfect. Actually, I got it on the ground here. But here, let me grab the scroll so you guys can kind of check it out. And if you look right here, this is the first one I designed. Now, there's not any real deep support on the bottom, so I expected that to kind of come down over time. That's why I kind of changed it up a little bit. If you look here on the model, I changed it a little bit so there's a bit more support down here to hold it. And also I kind of brought this down a little bit so it's not so high up. I'm hoping this comes out a little bit better. Second time around, hopefully it's good. If not, I'll redesign it again, kind of modify a little bit. But yeah, this is the original here. We'll get that into focus. Oh, it's not focusing. But you can see where the hole is for the thumbtack. So I think we're too focused on that. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, this guy here, and it hooked onto the side here pretty well. Actually, I'll just press that and you guys can kind of see right here. So that part would just sit on the wall and hold it up, but that's kind of what I was going for. And then the thumbtack would go on top, but obviously this is too short. As you can see, it was just too short, so I redesigned it, made it a little taller. I'm hoping this time around I get it right. And then after that, I'm going to hang it on the wall, and hopefully my wall scroll will fit up there just nicely. And I've used thumbtacks before to hold it up, and it held up just fine, so I'm assuming that this one will be just fine as well. But if this file works out after like a week or so, I'll probably post it up on Thingiverse or my manufacturer, both, for anybody who would want to use it. But yeah, that's kind of it. And obviously you can see here, sliced in Cura. I was having a little bit of trouble centering it every time I put it in the center here, and then I, exported the code to the SD card. It would print at 0, so it wouldn't print in the center. Not quite sure what was going on. So like in this file here, I moved it to the side, saved it like that, and then obviously, as you can tell, it's printing over here. So I'll have to figure that out. I've had this problem before with a couple of files. Specifically coming out of Tinkercad, so I'm not sure, but it's something I'm gonna look into because I like to design in that. I have Fusion 360. I just barely got it, and I'm gonna learn how to use it during the holiday. But man, that thing looks very intimidating. But I know a lot of people use it and say it's great, so I look forward to trying it out. But this is my Anet A8 that I got. Thank you, Mom. It's actually my second printer. My first printer is up here. This is the Anet A8 upgraded to the AM8, although it is not working right now. I have to fix the extruder problem, but I'm hoping to have that fixed in the next couple weeks or so. But right now I'm just using this, just straightforward, basic, no modifications on this at all. All I did, the only thing I've done is put a glass bed on it so it prints out, so I get a nice smooth bottom part of it. That's it, nothing else. So far so good. I am going to print more mods on it, but that'll be later, and I'll probably do a video talking about the printer, and then another video talking about the modifications that I printed out. That's it. So I just want to show you guys this, and hopefully this comes out well. Okay, it is popping up, but this is more of just a test piece, so I think it should be fine. I'll probably print out a couple more once I get it narrowed down and everything. But hope you guys like it. Come check it out. I'll probably post this on Instagram and Twitter. You guys can find me there at Vash the 18th on Instagram and MernD on Twitter. So let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys later. Thanks.